Hey there. To enter an options trade in Charles Schwab, first make sure your account is approved for options trading. Your approval level matters because it controls which strategies you are allowed to place, such as buying calls, buying puts, or using spreads. Start by opening the trading area on Schwab or the thinkorswim platform. Search for the stock or ETF symbol you want to trade, then open the option chain. The option chain is where you compare expiration dates, strike prices, calls, puts, bid prices, ask prices, and volume. Next, choose the exact contract. Decide whether you are trading a call or a put, select the expiration date, pick the strike price, and choose whether you are buying to open, selling to open, buying to close, or selling to close. For beginners, it is usually safer to understand the difference before touching the submit button. On the order ticket, enter the quantity, order type, and limit price. A limit order can help you control the maximum price you pay or the minimum price you accept. Review the estimated cost, commission details if shown, and the buying power impact before continuing. Before you place the order, read every line on the review screen. Make sure the symbol, expiration, strike, call or put, action, quantity, and limit price are exactly what you intended. If anything looks wrong, go back and edit the order instead of submitting. Options can lose money quickly and are not suitable for everyone. If you are unsure, review Schwab's options education and the official options disclosure before trading. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.